What is going on, you lovely people of the internet? It is your boy Atoy. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video we're actually going to be changing the spoiler slash wing on my car. As you might know, last video we ruined slash broke our $700 taillights, and today we're replacing the stock spoiler with a Hellcat spoiler. So get right into that. I gotta take this off, and I don't have the little clip that I did last time, so my brother is gonna be helping me out, and he also just ran to grab a flathead screwdriver. So that's what we're gonna be using to take that off, and we'll be taking off this spoiler and seeing what we might need, because we might need to be drilling in some holes. Hopefully not, but we might need to drill some holes into this lovely trunk.
At work, I just break them because I don't.
You gotta go from right here with the screwdriver. Do what I just did and fucking hit the rear.
The rear what?
Quarter panel, motherfucker.
With that plastic piece? Ain't gonna do nothing. I might have one of those downstairs.
Currently stealing the neighbor's supplies, and also our fucking shed is open. Okay guys, update. My brother dropped all the tools in the middle of the road. We've got them all to the side of the road, and we're now putting them all back. Ain't that right, Doc? Well, what did we learn here?
When I get home from work, I'm gonna help your ass.
No, maybe check and make sure that the people's stuff that we're using is secure before we walk across the street.
Give me 10 wrench.
10 wrench.
Like this? Yeah. Because you can't. Because there's no, I don't have a swivel head.
Cut that out. Huh? You gotta cut that out. Just put a big ugly cheek in the fucking camera.
With that. Okay. Go.
Huh?
Take it off.
Take what off? The bolt?
The nut?
With my finger or with the...
No, you're probably gonna have to use a wrench. I say if you would have said something, I could have grabbed the swivel head. And we can use the fucking... ratchet to do it.
I don't quite understand how the fuck you're doing it. Hold on, no. Yeah, let me hold the wing, bro. I think that's a better job for me. Now we're taking it off. So I can put a new one on.
pull it, like pull it up. Pull it up. Press on it. Yeah. Oh yeah. No.
No.
It broke.
Oh, that's fine too. Rip it off. Well, let's go get that last bolt over on that side.
Yeah, but it's doing the same thing. The whole thing is spinning.
Well, now we're on the point of no return.
No.
Where those things at? Which ones?
The round one. Need to get it where we.
That's a fucking wasp, bro.
Okay, you need to get it where it needs to be.
There's something about this wasp. It's really fucking me up right now.
Just slide that way.
Like that, right? You got it?
No, you're out to bed, bro. What is this right here? Okay.
I feel like this is off a little bit, though.
Hold it. Go back and move that. I need that. Slide your way just a little. What are you looking like?
Over on this side.
Moving over.
Now we're good. This isn't really like lining it straight up because there's a screw in the bottom, right? What? This wouldn't be lining straight up because there's a screw in the bottom that's throwing it off, right?
Well, we'll get one screw in. Then we can go from there, and then I could just mark it. You know what I'm saying?
Not really, but I trust him.
You got like a sharp in there?
No. There might be one inside the house.
Yeah, I would pick it up at the way.
Like the whole wing. There's something moving around, and I don't like that. The marker was just right there.
3 7/8.
Oh shit.
What?
Nancy.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take these real quick.
Alright, no turning back. Nice fucking dicks.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You got metal ones, right?
The ones that are supposed to drill through metal, yeah.
No. We got one.
I mean, that's not even all the way through because I'm pretty sure there's a second layer. but the screws are way fucking bigger than that, bro.
Yeah, you're supposed to start small, bro.
So right away. There we go. What the fuck are they doing? What do you mean, fuck? What the fuck? Is that gonna work there? Is it? Can you answer? Can you not laugh and answer my question until you drill the next hole?
These drill bits suck ass, bro.
Yeah, but can you answer my question?
What?
Is that gonna work there?
You gotta take that back before Dad says he sees it.
What?
Drill bits, bro.
Dad bought these for me.
He doesn't want them?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
How much more of that?
I have no idea. I didn't ask. That's rude.
It had to be cheap.
That's what I'm saying. I kind of figured. That's why I didn't ask.
You're getting my ass, bro.
You know, just breaking drill bits. Breaking drill bits. You got any drill bits that work?
What are you trying to do?
Put a new wing on. Huh?
So you can go faster and do a wheelie?
Oh, fuck no. This is to keep me down. You drilled into the fucking
Yeah,
nut.
you can check in that shed if there's any more drill bits in there.
Alright, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Nah, I don't think that's a good idea at all, bro. I don't see this being a good idea at all. I don't see this being a good idea at all.
Well, I gotta get the head of the fucking screw on there, bro. How much of another shit's gonna go there?
You know, maybe. I might not be the brightest tool in the ship, but at least halfway through you fucking drilling in that, I thought, oh, maybe we should check and make sure that there's fucking no.
Fucking hot. Well,
So is that gonna work there?
you gotta get a hole big enough to drill. That shit too. It's big enough I can put the head to.
So back here we're currently drilling, as you can see, maybe we kind of drilled into that housing a little bit. Well, we're drilling holes there to hopefully get the screws in and then get the wing on, spoiler, whatever you want to call it. We've already fucking broke like 3 drill bits.
Well, not some, bro.
Jesus. All right.
What? What's wrong?
Nothing. You ready?
Yeah. Put the first one through.
Jesus.
Make sure you're straight, bro. You're twisting the right way.
All right. I think the first one's not all the way in, but it's in.
Okay, now start the second one. See the hole and make sure it's lined up or no?
Yeah, it looks lined up. I am sick and tired of climbing in and out of this fucking trunk. Whew. We're getting everything lined up as much as we can for the best that we can. All right, we're getting ready to cross the point of no return. If the drill bit don't break.
There's something there, bro. Can you move this?
What? What?
Towards the outside of the trunk.
Oh shit. Oh no, that should be good though, right?
Yeah, I don't know what it's not yet, at least. I don't think I need to drill for the head, though.
Nah, you might. You need me to hold it?